how to use AI to create a landing page for your Wix.com website. So, hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can create a landing page through the help of AI for your Wix website. So, there are a lot of AI platforms that you can use, but in this, I'll be using Canva AI. So you can also use Midjourney if you want. You can also use ChatGPT if you want, but I'm going to go with Canva because I'm more comfortable using Canva. So once when you open up Canva, you need to write here a landing page, a beautiful landing page, or you can go with an aesthetic landing page for my Wix website, for my food truck business. UI/UX form, and we can click on generate image, and Canva is going to do the work for us. So here you go, you can see that Canva, the AI of Canva actually is doing its magic and building this landing page for me. And here you go, you can see that uh, how beautifully Canva made this landing page for us. We can just resize it from here. Oops. Do this and do this. And here you go. How beautifully Canva made this page for us that we can use as our landing page for our website. And we can just animate it if we want. We can just download it in the format that we want, share, and we can download it in the format that we want, PNG, the vector format, any format that we like. And once when we download it, we can use it here on our Wix website that is right here. So that's how you do it. I hope you found this video informative. If you did, please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.